Okay, you voted on my website, so thank you to everyone on Patreon. You voted for the old Ghostbusters. Now, what I want you to try, this B5, which is fret 2 on the A string, and then string D, string G, and you're going to be hitting this B power chord. Now, then you're going to go to the open E string, and it's really catchy, is this. Now, once you hit that B, you're going to hit the open E string, open 1, and then to 2. Now then we go to this A power chord, and then you go up to this E power chord, okay? So open A string, 2 on the D, and then open E string, 2 on the A. Okay, so B power chord, open E, it's really catchy. Now you've also got this really quirky, so I'm going to show you that too. Now that is on string G, and you're going to go on the 4th fret, and then it drops down to the B string on the 4th fret. 4, 4, drop, 4, back up 4. And then you go to the B string on 2, but then you go up to the G string on 2. And then that's still here on string G, but then you move to 4. And it goes 4, 4, 4, 4, 2, 4. We go again. But now here, now that's 4 again on fret 4 on string G to 2, but then you go back to 4, slide it to 6, and then back to 4. Now there's also did you say it? I ain't afraid of no ghost. Now that's the 3rd fret on the B string, and I'm doing this little cool drag, and that's on 3 on the B to 4 on the G. Sounds like a bloody fire engine. Now then we go to string G on the 2nd fret, and we chromatically run, which means one after the other, no frets in between, and that's going to go 2, 3, 4. Or you could do a little hammer, but I prefer to do that. So the parts, you've then, and then. So it's pretty cool, it's pretty quirky, it's good fun, and I just thought, you know, from putting this poll on my members group chat, and you voted for this, so I thought, right, well, I'm a man of my word, it's Halloween, so I hope you enjoy it, I hope you have a go at it, it is good fun, but yeah, we'll be getting down to more serious stuff next week. Happy Halloween, everyone, have fun with that, and I'll speak to you all real soon.